Hello guys, in this video I'm just going to explain how to auto reframe your video clips for your YouTube Shorts or Instagram or Facebook Reels. So I'm going to do that in Adobe Premiere Pro. For that, right, this is a normal video. Okay, I'm going to change that into like a mobile video. So what I'm going to do is the audio file, audio track and video track. So what you need to do is simply you need to change the sequence settings first. I'm going to change that to 1080 into 1920 is the pixel. Okay, I'm going to change it. So it's a 60 frames per second. And I'm going to give OK. So again, I'm going to give OK. Super cool. Here, there is no focus on the character because it's in mobile resolution. I changed it. So in order to automatic reframe, right, you need to go to this FX, go to FX and editing, go to FX, tap on this FX. Here, just type auto reframe. Here is auto reframe and just click and drag it here on the video. Super cool. Now I'm going to play it. So now automatically the character will be projected here. So this is called automatic reframe. So the same video you can upload in YouTube as well. And this is very simple and most benefit tool. And once your editing is done, you can just export it. I'm going to check on this quick edit. Or here you can export file and then go to export and media. So auto frame should be completed actually. So I need to wait for some time. Once it's completed only, I'll be able to export. So now everything is gone. Media. So that's it, friends. Now, which is in mobile resolution, see most of them is covered. That's it, friends. This is the way you can edit in Adobe Premiere for your YouTube Shorts or Instagram or Facebook. So that's it, friends. Hope this video is very much helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please put a comments and feedback in video form. Thank you. Bye and take care.